Hi, my name is Erlinet Richards. I'm going to share with you my craft. I will introduce you how to make a toilet roll. This is a toilet roll. First, I made this shaker. I painted it. I drew flour. Now, this is it. Nice shape of flower. I did Valentine's card. And this is a toilet roll. I made 3 shape of toilet roll. 1 heart, 2, 3. I love you. And I made for this for my husband last February 14. I love you. I will show you this. This is a photo frame and this is made of toilet roll. And this is a cardboard. Ta-da! You can do that. Just put it like that. It's a photo frame. And this is the photo when I give birth our son Joshua, first day of our son Joshua. So wonderful, isn't it? So this, in this corner, this is a toilet roll. I made a shape. I used 2 colors painted. I painted toilet roll 2 colors, red and blue. On the top corner, in this corner, so red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, and it looks fantastic. Guess what? This is made of toilet roll. 3 roses. My husband couldn't believe this. This is a toilet roll. And I show you in next video. I can show you how to make these things. And this one I use a 7-Up bottle. So this look amazing, isn't it? Now this one, God is love, and this is made of toilet roll. Cardboard, toilet roll. I cut it off and make it shape, circle. Make it like a flower shape. And then I put some glue. I glue it and put some color, gold and sparkling things, red and gold. So it look like amazing. God is love. This one is hard. Guess what? I made this one in February 14. Made of toilet roll. And this one is paper plate. Wonderful. You don't have to buy photo frame. You can make your own. You can do something with your toilet roll. Don't throw the toilet roll. We are in lockdown. And if you have a toilet roll, you can do something like what I did. So all you need to do, all you need is glue, scissor. So that's what you need. Paint. I use acrylic paint, whatever you want. So at this time I share with you about what you can do of toilet roll. And next video I will introduce you some of my artwork. Bye.